Are you from one of the countries affected by the latest United States travel ban? Are you wondering whether you, or your loved ones, can safely stay in America? Can a single policy change your ability to live, work, or reunite with your family? If you're asking those questions, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down the 2025 United States travel ban, what it means for immigrants already in the country, and what you can do right now to protect yourself and your loved ones, especially in today's uncertain political climate. So grab a notebook or hit the save button, because this is information you need to hear. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing stated in this video should be taken as legal advice. Always consult with a qualified attorney before taking action. Watching this video does not create an attorney-client privilege. If you need advice for your specific situation, speak to an attorney. Now with that behind us, let's move on to the topic of today's discussion. So, what exactly happened with the travel ban? On June 4, 2025, President Trump signed a new executive order barring nationals from 12 countries: Afghanistan, Myanmar, Chad, Republic of the Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen, from entering the United States. Sound familiar? That's because it is. This move builds on previous travel bans from 2017 and 2020. This time, the government claims it's about national security, again. The policy blocks most visas, including tourist and immigrant visas, and even affects people selected for the diversity visa lottery. But here's the kicker: even if you're already here legally, this policy could affect you. Planning to visit family abroad? Think again. Traveling outside the United States could get you stuck overseas, even if your visa is valid. Trying to bring over your spouse or children? This ban just threw another obstacle in your way. Let's rewind for a second. Why does the United States keep implementing travel bans like this? It's not new. In 2017, we saw the first so-called Muslim ban targeting several Muslim-majority nations. It faced fierce legal battles and was revised multiple times before being partially upheld by the Supreme Court. In 2020, a second wave of restrictions expanded the ban to include several African and Southeast Asian nations, again under the banner of national security. But let's be honest, critics argue these bans are often politically motivated. They're about optics. They send a message, and unfortunately, that message often leaves real people in fear and uncertainty. So, what if you're already in the United States? Maybe you're a student, a worker, or you've been living here for years on a green card. Here's what you need to know. Don't travel unless absolutely necessary. Keep your documents, visa, passport, work permit, up to date. Save proof of your presence in the United States, pay stubs, lease agreements, school transcripts. And most importantly, talk to an immigration attorney before making big decisions. Even if the ban doesn't directly cancel your current visa, it can create real complications if you try to renew, adjust your status, or bring family members here. Before we continue, let's take a break to hear from the sponsor of today's video. This video is brought to you by the Mays Law Firm, PLLC, trusted advocates for immigrants nationwide. If you're eligible for United States citizenship, now is the time to act. The Mays Law Firm, PLLC specializes in naturalization services, helping clients secure their future in the United States with confidence and clarity. Naturalization gives you protection against future bans, full travel freedom, and, yes, the power to vote and influence policy. Contact the Mays Law Firm, PLLC for a free consultation and find out if you're eligible for citizenship today. Because in times like these, citizenship isn't just a privilege, it's protection. Now, back to the travel ban. Let's talk about naturalization. Why does it matter so much now? Because policies like this travel ban come and go depending on who's in power. And while a green card gives you a lot, it doesn't guarantee you protection if things shift again. Only citizenship gives you full rights. You can't be banned from re-entering. You can vote. You can sponsor your family without facing the same visa restrictions. Think of it as legal armor in an unpredictable environment. If you're eligible, don't wait. So, what can you do right now? Start by checking your documents. Talk to a lawyer if your visa is expiring or you're unsure about your status. Avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. And if you're eligible, start the naturalization process today. We know these policies create fear, confusion, and frustration. But you don't have to face it alone. With the right information and legal support, you can protect yourself, your family, and your future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or visit us at contact@mayslawyer.com. And remember, immigration is personal. It's not just about policies, it's about people. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay prepared, and take care of each other.